Hi guys, and welcome back to Cryptochesterg. I'm here today to talk to you about a project that I think has got absolutely huge potential. And yes, it is a layer 1 blockchain powered by AI. You've read that correctly on the screen, something that we haven't seen before in the space. And this blockchain, from a statistic standpoint, it's actually a lot more sustainable and reliable than a lot of other layer 1 blockchains out there. It's actually filling a gap that needs to be filled. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this video because there's actually a massive opportunity to make a lot of money here with this asset. So you can see here right now they are in a pre-sale phase and they have raised just shy of $5 million here. I think their target is I think it's $50 million or something, but you can see they've made a really good start, nearly at $5 million. And it is, as I said, Nexchain is an AI layer 1 blockchain here. And they've had all of their audits done. Their KYC is to be determined. And I've been speaking to a few members of the team here. So they are basically working on that at the moment. And you can see here, they've had their solid proof done. They've had their Certic smart contract audited and completed as well. Now, if we look at just Nexchain from a general blockchain standpoint here, one, it's powered by AI, which is a layer 1 blockchain that we haven't seen before, and also high transaction speeds, 400,000 transactions per second. That beats many other blockchains out there. And just to show you guys quickly the different types of layer 1 blockchains that we have here currently in the crypto space, you can see scrolling down this list, there's absolutely hundreds of layer 1 blockchains that are currently in the space right now, but there's none that I've seen here that have AI built into it. That, for me, instantly will put this at well over $1 billion market cap. So that is basically comparing it to layer 1s like VeChain or like Near Protocol or ICP, or even Monero up at around that $5 billion market cap. So in terms of where this asset is going to fit over on CMC when this thing launches, I think it's going to sit right around the blue chips here, roughly around near Casper, Filecoin, this sort of area, which will put it well above that $1 billion market cap. And I think that's very achievable. And if you guys are on the same page as me and you believe that a blockchain like this that has better technology, better use cases, the solutions that this actually offers here, it's like real world assets, RWAs. We know how important that is in the space at the moment, guys. Financial infrastructure, payment tools, so basically a finance gateway, bridging the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, blockchain links, permissioned environments, and commerce tooling here. So some very interesting stuff here that this blockchain actually supports in comparison to other boring layer 1 blockchains that don't do that, okay? So you can see it is a hybrid consensus for reliability and sustainability, interpretability, connecting with other blockchains. I was at a Chainlink event the other day, and they had some speakers on stage, and they said the one big thing about layer 1 blockchains at the moment is they don't talk to each other. There's many out there. They're not interpretable. Nexchain.ai is interpretable with other chains. So basically, it's creating that ecosystem of blockchains together, which is a very bullish thing that other blockchains, even the bigger blockchains in the space, the blue chips, they've not even thought about yet, okay? So you can see the NEX crypto exchange freely interacts with other crypto ecosystems via cross-chain bridges. Low fees. Look at these fees. It's not even a cent, guys. That is super efficient for just general day-to-day transactions here. Energy efficiency and sustainable growth here. The chain's power consumed is reduced, making it one of the few entirely eco-friendly blockchains worldwide. Okay, very good. Decentralized governance and fair income distribution. Again, super bullish. This is something that I saw as well when looking at this project, guys. It's a revolutionary revenue share for Next token holders. Okay, so there's 10% of all gas fees from the volume of the blockchain here gets distributed out to the holders of the coin. Okay, so really echoing that decentralized aspect to this layer 1 project, which I think is very cool and very bullish. And I think a lot of people will get involved with it purely on that basis. Okay, you can see it's powered by Google Cloud, NVIDIA, Wallet Connect, Visa, Curve, DALI-E, Amazon, and OpenAI. So we've got some AI stuff in there as well. And yeah, it's. I mean, I don't want to blow its trumpet too much here, but you can see finance, healthcare, supply chain management, Internet of Things here. So that covers the Jasmy coin there, content, monetization, decentralized AI services, government administration. So the use case for this chain is unlike any other blockchain in the space right now. Now, talking about this pre-sale, okay, this pre-sale is very, very interesting because basically they're saying that it's going to be listed at 30 cents, okay, listed at 30 cents, currently priced at 7 cents, okay? So basically there is a 5x on your investment just by getting involved with this pre-sale now, holding until launch, and then you can basically simply sell at launch if you want, and you'll have made a 5x on your investment. So if you put in 10 grand and hold it, no problem. When this thing launches, you can actually cash out for 50 grand, okay? Sounds too good to be true. That's exactly how pre-sales work. And the way that this works, guys, you buy it at a certain price, more people invest, that price basically rises up with you. And then by the time that you actually launch the coin, your investment is worth 5x more. It's exactly the same as a chart going up and more people investing and putting liquidity into an asset. As the price goes up, you bought it at a certain point and it basically goes up and your assets are worth more due to more liquidity being injected into the project itself. So the same sort of thing going on with this here, and a massive opportunity to make a lot of money indeed. Okay, now there was one thing I did want to cover as well, guys. There is actually a referral system that these guys offer. So if you've got friends, if you've got family, you can actually basically, once you've bought into the pre-sale, you can actually invite your friends, invite your family over, and you'll earn 5% instant cash back in USDT once the affiliate system activates you and your friends and family purchase into this pre-sale as well. So not only can you earn massive amounts of money simply buying, holding, waiting for this thing to launch, you can actually basically become an affiliate marketer as well and make money doing that side of things too. Now, talking about the tokenomics, guys, because obviously this is very, very important when looking at a project to see how the tokenomics are sort of managed and sort of structured here. It is super important. So you can see here, total initial supply is $2.15 billion here, or sorry, billion tokens here, billion NEX tokens. You can see there's a treasury of 17%, absolutely expected here with a layer 1 blockchain. 5% for marketing, very, very bullish. 6% for burn, so they're going to be burning 6% of the supply over periods of time, essentially deflating the supply, making your assets worth more. 5% for the seed round, which I believe that's 8% for liquidity. That's very, very bullish here that they've put something aside for liquidity. 7% for rewards, competitions, stuff like that, and also 20% for the public. Also, Nexchain have just launched their new airdrop campaign. Now, this airdrop has just gone live, guys, so you do have a chance to get involved with it. And the earlier you get involved with it, the more rewards you could potentially get. So I'm just going to break this down for you very, very shortly here. You can see that they've got $5 million in NEX prize pool for you guys to get involved with, okay? The prizes vary from day to day here with basically quests happening throughout different weeks, and it's super, super easy to get involved. If you guys do want to get involved with it, all you need to do is go to the link in the description here on Nexchain.ai /airdrop here, and you can join the airdrop in 3 simple steps. All you need to do is connect your wallet, start completing some quests here, and then you climb the leaderboard and win. Unlock weekly and grand prizes at the end of each campaign. You can see here, I've connected my wallet, and you can see that basically I would need to follow them on X, join the Telegram group, visit a website, and you can see I'm actually earning points as I'm doing this for these quests. And you can see these quests are pretty much endless. Okay, you can basically earn so much throughout this leaderboard or throughout participating in this massive airdrop. So there's a massive opportunity here to start accumulating this token here basically before it launches. Now, the more that you participate in this airdrop, the bigger the prize pool that you can get, guys. Okay, so it's a very, very important thing. If you are going to get involved with Nexchain.ai, then this is definitely something you guys should go check out. If you actually join the NEX community here, subscribe for exclusive updates and a 10% pre-sale bonus. So what you want to do, you want to put your email in here, and then you want to basically get the link from the email, purchase that pre-sale here, and then you will essentially get a 10% bonus here on your pre-sale itself. Super, super bullish, and many ways that you can make money and capitalize on this new, super interesting layer 1 AI-powered blockchain. Okay, so there's a lot of really interesting utilities, massive media coverage here, massive KOL coverage here, and really good tokenomics. Overall, this project has got the green light from me, and I do believe that there is a lot of money to be made here simply investing into this. If you agree with me, let me know. I'm super intrigued to hear your opinion about Nexchain. And obviously do your own research, guys. I'll leave a link to the project in the description for you guys to go check out as well, because we might have found a baby here. We might have found an absolute golden nugget here that is going to make us that 10 to 100, maybe even 1,000x, who knows. But if we're looking at the other layer one blockchains to go on, I would expect massive, massive gains and huge, huge potential here for this as soon as this thing launches. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I do appreciate it. All the links in the description. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.